Hey, this is India with Bags and Lifestyle. So today we're going to do I was about to say closet, decor video. So I wanted to share my bathroom with you all. Depending on the day of the week, sometimes I feel like it's 90% done. Sometimes I feel like it's 100% done, but at least it's enough in here to show you what I have. So this is decor on a budget. So everything has either come from Homegoods, Target, or Popshelf, which is my new favorite store. Hopefully you have a Popshelf in your area. I absolutely love them. All right, so let's go ahead and get in here. So just a recap for you. So this is my bathroom that is off limits to everybody unless we have enough people in the house that are visiting that this bathroom has to be used. But otherwise, this bathroom is off limits and it's mine. Okay, so first starting with let me just pull this around. Okay, there you go. So this curtain here, I actually didn't intentionally purchase pink. I didn't really want that, but we needed something and we had people staying with us, some family, and they were going to need to use this bathroom. So I had to get something, and this is what it's just stayed. So this came from HomeGoods. I don't remember how much it cost, but definitely it was probably somewhere around $20. So that's the pattern. Like I said, I don't like to, my favorite color is pink, but I don't like to have everything like display pink, even though I really love pink. All right, panning over here. As you'll see, I like to use a lot of texture and color things to kind of pull everything together. I love little quirky artwork. So we got the zebra with the glasses on it. That came from HomeGoods. It was less than $20 as well. I'm sorry I don't have all the exact prices, but yeah. Okay, and then down here, I got these two little pieces from Popshelf. This is actually, I stuck it in there because it was pink. You saw that? Like, I don't want to have everything just be pink, 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 pink. There's enough pink going on in here. So I like this little cactus. I felt like it looked real enough to put in the bathroom. I actually wanted to use a real succulent, but then I thought, don't they need sunlight? So I don't know whether that's going to work in a bathroom. So I got a plant instead, a fake plant. And this little puzzle piece I thought was a good piece, so it helps pull in the blue, which I'll show you in a second where I feel like it ties it into the two places. But I had this little planter here was at Popshelf as well, and I like that it's neutral instead of it being the pink that was showing. So I like how that pulled in together. So I got all three of those pieces for probably like $20 or something like that. I think I still have the price on one. Nope, I actually pulled the price off. I'm so proud of myself. So I said all three of these pieces came up from Popshelf. Yeah, about $25. All right, so let me go over here. As you'll notice, we don't have like a little rack, so we bought this for the tissue holder. This rug here was my old rug. Yeah, you can see that. So this rug here came from Target. No, it didn't. It came from HomeGoods. And it was my old bathroom rug, and so I switched out my bathroom rug that's in the master bath, and then I put this one in here for now. Or not for now, but yeah, anyway. Oh, so let me tie in. So this little blue thing here goes with, I felt like it pulled in the blue from here. So this is a little piece of artwork. I liked her because she had slightly browner shade to her. And this looks like it's Venice. Got this from HomeGoods. Actually, there you go. So you can see the full picture. So I got this from HomeGoods. This was, I want to say $20. So $20. So very, not too expensive. All right. So over here, we got a toothbrush holder that hardly ever gets used because of the scenario I told you about earlier. And then we got this tray. And then this little piece here. I thought this was a nice neutral. I cannot stand for everything to match. That I am not a matchy, everything has to be a set type of person. And I did not want a set that was exactly the same. But pulled in and blended in the color. So that's why I got kind of this like marble looking finish that goes with the lighter color wood finish of this. And then also this here. You're seeing yourself. Haha. And then these two came from HomeGoods. And then this came from Bath and Body Works. R.I.P. Bath and Body Works. They're going bankrupt. So I got this from there. And I like that it's a neutral color and it has a little gold in it. So I thought that was nice. I felt like the gold kind of helps tie in with the zebra here a little bit to help pull things together. The other part where this blue comes into play, I feel like, is with my rug. So see this rug here? I really, really like this rug. And so that's why I thought like the two pinks. I felt like with the two pinks, with the rug down below, as well as with my shower curtain, it worked out that they were pink. Because I feel like, okay, we're kind of grounding it, we're centering it. It doesn't look too all over the place and crazy. And then I have this bright, vibrant pattern rug that's green, and it goes with nothing else in this bathroom, but it's kind of like a focal point that mixes all the textures and the colors together really well. So that's why I like that rug. So I got that from Target. And then the last thing I'm going to show you. Now, I know you can purchase trash bags. I prefer not to do that because I want to reuse the plastic bags that you get for free. But anyway, past that, let's just dump this on the inside so you're not paying attention to that. So this here, I really love this trash can. It was still price tag still on it. I got it from Homegoods. It was $10. No, that's the story. It was $15, but it is sturdy. Like, can you hear that? It's sturdy. It's firm. Let me put it on the floor so you can see. Like, this is something that it can be a weapon. So robber comes in, I can throw that at the robber and hit them in the head and not and get away or something. But I love really firm, sturdy, durable trash cans rather than those like kind of itsy bitsy, lighty tighty trash cans that aren't really, you know, significant and substantial. So I like that one. And then the little tray here, which has my cleaning products on it, that you can see in this corner right here. That's how I store my cleaning products. So they're out the way, but in reach. So that is a quick video on my home decor update on my bathroom. And I'm really happy with the way it came out. Let me know if you guys feel like something should go on this wall. Like, the wall is bare. Like, you can see, this is the shower curtain. Here's the wall. I feel like something should go over there, but I'm not sure what. And I also don't want to do anything in pink. I just want it to fully tie it in. I don't know whether I should do stripe to mix in with the zebra, or does that make it too crazy? But give me some suggestions if you guys have any. Or if you feel like it's just fine with nothing, let me know that too. I would love to get some suggestions. But that's the 10% that I say I teeter and totter between on whether or not it's finished or not. So thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you again soon.